Close your eyes and imagine it. Saturn, the crown jewel of the solar system, looming before you in the vastness of space. Its golden bands glimmer under the sunlight, creating an awe-inspiring spectacle that has fascinated humanity for centuries. From ancient astronomers who gazed in wonder through rudimentary telescopes to modern scientists unraveling its secrets with cutting-edge technology, Saturn's rings have captivated us all. Their beauty is unparalleled, an ethereal masterpiece floating in the void. But beyond their elegance lies a question that tugs at the adventurous spirit within us. What would it be like to actually jump into Saturn's rings? To leave the safety of observation and plunge headlong into one of the most mesmerizing and dangerous regions of our solar system? Would it be a peaceful drift through an icy wonderland, or a deadly journey into a chaotic storm of high-speed debris? What would you see? What would you feel? And, most importantly, could you survive? Today, we'll explore these questions and more. Together, we'll uncover the science, the mysteries, and the unimaginable dangers that make Saturn's rings both breathtakingly beautiful and incredibly hostile. So strap in, adventurers, because this isn't just a journey of imagination. It's a dive into the heart of one of the universe's greatest wonders. Are you ready to take the leap? Before we leap into Saturn's rings, let's understand what we're dealing with. At first glance, these iconic bands appear as smooth, solid structures, like a polished halo encircling the planet. But as with many things in space, appearances can be deceiving. In reality, Saturn's rings are made up of countless individual particles, each orbiting the planet at incredible speeds. These particles range in size from tiny grains of dust to massive boulders as large as mountains. Imagine trillions of icy and rocky fragments shimmering in the sunlight like a cosmic snowstorm frozen in time. Saturn's rings aren't uniform either. They're divided into distinct sections, labeled alphabetically from A to G, each with its own density and composition. The A ring, for instance, is bright and vibrant, while the mysterious F ring is thin, chaotic, and shaped by the gravitational influence of nearby moons. And speaking of moons, Saturn's shepherd moons, small satellites like Pandora and Prometheus, play a vital role in shaping the rings. These moons use their gravitational pull to sculpt and maintain the ring's intricate patterns, almost like celestial gardeners tending to a galactic masterpiece. But here's the most astonishing part. The rings are in constant motion. Each particle is orbiting Saturn at speeds of up to 75,000 miles per hour. That's faster than most spacecraft travel. From a distance, the rings may look serene, but up close, they're a dynamic and chaotic environment. So, if you were to jump into these rings, you wouldn't be entering a calm oasis. You'd be diving into a high-speed, high-stakes cosmic dance. But what would that experience actually feel like? Let's find out. Now, imagine the moment. You're standing on the edge of your spacecraft, gazing out at Saturn's rings. The view is breathtaking, a sprawling expanse of glittering ice and rock stretching for hundreds of thousands of miles. It's a scene that defies imagination, a cosmic wonder that seems almost too perfect to be real. With a deep breath, you step off the platform. For a brief moment, there's silence, pure, unbroken silence. No wind, no sound, just the vast emptiness of space. You're weightless, drifting toward the shimmering bands below. As you approach, the details come into focus. What once seemed like a smooth, glowing surface now reveals itself as a chaotic swirl of individual particles. The icy fragments catch the light, creating a dazzling display that feels otherworldly. It's beautiful, mesmerizing, and then the reality sets in. These particles aren't stationary. They're moving fast. Speeds of up to 75,000 miles per hour mean that even the smallest fragment could be a deadly projectile. The serene beauty of the rings transforms into a storm of chaos. You're no longer just an observer. You're in the middle of a swirling maelstrom of cosmic debris. The icy particles zip past you, some missing by mere inches. Others graze your suit, creating a faint but sharp ping. Suddenly, a larger chunk of ice, about the size of a car, whizzes by, reminding you just how dangerous this environment is. It's not just a gentle drift. It's a harrowing plunge into one of the most hazardous places in the solar system. Surviving a jump into Saturn's rings would require more than just courage. It would demand technology and luck beyond anything we currently possess. Let's break down the challenges. First, there's the issue of speed. The particles in Saturn's rings are moving so fast that even a tiny pebble could tear through a spacesuit or a human body with catastrophic force. Navigating through this environment would be like trying to dodge a billion bullets, all flying at unpredictable angles. Then there's the temperature. Saturn's rings exist in the far reaches of the solar system, where temperatures plummet to minus 280 degrees Fahrenheit. Without advanced thermal protection, you'd freeze almost instantly. And don't forget about radiation. Saturn's massive magnetic field traps high levels of radiation, creating an environment that's hazardous to both humans and electronics. Prolonged exposure could wreak havoc on your body, damaging your cells and DNA. Even Saturn's gravity poses a challenge. The planet's immense gravitational pull would keep you close to the rings, but without propulsion, you'd be stuck, orbiting endlessly among the debris. It's not just a leap of curiosity. It's a leap into a swirling, frozen hellscape. But for all the dangers, Saturn's rings remain one of the most beautiful and enigmatic features of our solar system. They're a cosmic masterpiece, a fleeting marvel in an ever-changing universe. Scientists believe the rings are relatively young, perhaps only 100 million years old. That's a blink of an eye in the grand timeline of the cosmos. Some theories suggest they were formed from the remains of a moon or comet that was torn apart by Saturn's gravity. But these rings won't last forever. Gradually, they're disappearing, falling into Saturn's atmosphere in a phenomenon known as ring rain. In a few 100 million years, Saturn's iconic rings may be gone, a reminder of how fleeting even the most spectacular features of the universe can be. Exploring these rings isn't just about satisfying curiosity. It's about unlocking the secrets of the solar system's history, understanding the forces that shaped our cosmic neighborhood, and appreciating the delicate balance that sustains such wonders. Saturn's rings are a testament to the beauty and complexity of the universe. They remind us of the interplay between destruction and creation, chaos and harmony. While jumping into Saturn's rings might be a fantasy, it speaks to something greater, the human spirit of exploration. It's our curiosity, our daring, and our desire to connect with the cosmos that drive us to ask these questions, to imagine these journeys, and to seek out the unknown. So, what do you think? Would you take the leap? Would you dare to dive into Saturn's rings, to experience their beauty and danger firsthand? Or would you prefer to admire them from a safe distance, letting their mystery continue to inspire your imagination? Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey. If you enjoyed exploring Saturn's rings with us, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, Keep looking up and never stop reaching for the stars.